that the person is just only deceiving you when it comes to you. As far as it's concerned, group physical visitation is still the most effective in Nigeria today, because one, we are still struggling with database. We have a very poor database system. Even the credit bureau, there are so many people that are not being captured, especially the young lenders. They are not fully reported on credit bureau. We still have a gap there. Compared to what is it in Kenya, for example, I happen to work closely with Kenya market. The credit bureau system is working very perfectly, very well, better than some of the like Nigerian markets. People are scared of, because they are able to integrate their credit bureau with the TransUnion. You know, if you go to UK now, TransUnion is Equifax, and TransUnion is very popular. And when you hold abroad, it's not as if debtor does not exist abroad, they exist. But the fear of the fact that it will crumble your credit, if you have a bad credit history in UK, US, you are more or less like a dead person, because you cannot achieve anything, because the economy is driven by a credit economy. Unlike our own economy that we are still, somebody will, okay, let me give you a good example, the card system. Somebody can borrow from you today, for example, and you, after you have disbursed the loan to the person, what the person does is that we go back to the bank and change the card.
Wow.
So when you change the card, how do you do direct debit? So when somebody said we have even the direct debit system, let me tell you the funny part of the direct debit system. You will need to authorize each of the direct debit system. The client will need to authorize those direct debit system for you to be able to, okay, if the one account is missing. But it shouldn't be. What GSI will naturally do is that it will be able to sweep the accounts directly. You understand? What people do is that if they give you account A, that okay, you are putting mandate on account A or account B, what they will do is that they move their money to money points.
Wow.
And there's no direct debit mandate on money points. So the lenders need to be one step higher, smarter than that is why most of the consumer lenders have been a proponent of the fact that consumer loans will continue to be very expensive in the country.